Hey guys, I'm Zach and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out Represent's 247 collection with some of their newest additions, which include the oversized t-shirt, tank and hoodie, as well as some fan favorites, which are the 247 cargo shorts and pants. So without further ado, I reckon it's time to get straight into this video. Now I must preface this by saying 247 range from Represent is some of my favorite apparel that I've bought to date. Now, of course, I will be showing off new additions in this video, which I haven't tried on before, but I also will be showing off pieces that I'm constantly wearing on the daily. Now, those are the cargo pants and cargo shorts that you will see towards the end of the video, which are definitely the most recommended product for this video, but we'll save that for the end of the video, of course. Let's check out some of these newest pieces. Now, speaking of newest pieces, let's start off with a strong one. This is the Represent Team 247 oversized t-shirt in black. You've also got this in the white variation, which I unfortunately will be sending back because I think white still, unfortunately, pales me out, or it makes me look too tan. It seems I just can't get it right in the middle when it comes to white. However, the black variation of this t-shirt is one of my favorite pieces and newest additions that Represent has added to their lineup. Now, why is the case with that? Well, I've always been looking for something that's a little bit more versatile when it comes to t-shirts and wearing it out and about. Now, everyone loves activewear, tights and shorts, and they look great for being versatile from going to the gym to going out. But when it comes to activewear tops, they typically just look like, well, activewear. And I don't think that's a big problem. However, when you're looking for something a little bit more versatile that you can wear out to the shops, out to a coffee, and then go straight to the gym, it's a little bit hard to find in between. Especially because activewear typically features a sheen finish to it, and I think that's most noticeable with dry fit technology. You'll notice it's quite shiny, it catches the glare reflections a little bit too much, and just has that activewear look overall. However, you're not getting that with this piece. Represent has somehow made these t-shirts a matte black finish, which allows it to look a lot more aesthetic, a lot more fashionable, and allowing you to wear it out and about and not have to worry about that athleisure look. Now, it's quite comfortable as well, which means you're still getting the athleisure comfortable aesthetic to the design of the t-shirt. It's actually made of 95% nylon and 5% elastane, meaning it's got a super full waist stretch throughout the garment. It's also finished off with a modern design. The t-shirt's name is oversized for a reason, meaning you're also getting dropped sleeves, shoulders throughout the garment, as well as a thick neck collar, meaning the t-shirt is structured from head to toe. I love the design on this. It is quite simple, but sometimes simplicity is better, especially when you're looking for versatility. Now you've got that Team 247 logo on the front and the back, meaning you've got a perfect amount of logos to finish off this garment with. Now, for sizing recommendation, I am wearing a size large in this video. I am 6 foot, around 86 kilos. However, I do recommend that you stick true to size. Now, moving on to another Team 247 piece, we've also got the Team 247 sleeveless tee. Now, this one was quite a shock to me. I saw this sleeveless t-shirt on the website and I was quite intrigued with the way that it fit. Typically, singlets or sleeveless shirts in general finish right before the shoulders, meaning you're getting a potential nip slip opportunity. However, for me, I personally just don't like that way that those garments drape on my body. However, I've seen that throughout this garment, they also have oversized the sleeveless tee to cover the shoulders, meaning you're only getting your arms come out on the side, which I actually think brings and elevates the look to another level. It gives it more of a streetwear aesthetic. You're getting a boxy nature to a athleisure piece, which of course is fantastic. When you're looking for versatility, this is exactly what you want. Of course, when it comes to versatility in that genre as well, of course, people wearing the oversized sleeveless t-shirt will be featuring more of a gym type athleisure look, less of that 247 aesthetic where you can wear it throughout the day on any occasion. Now, you've also got that stretch throughout the 95% nylon, which is the 5% elastane. You've still got that super comfortable, versatile nature of the garment, meaning you can wear it out and about and still get a comfortable feel to the tee. Now, moving on to one of the final additions from the new 247 range, that is the 247 hoodie. Now, this is a 100% cotton hoodie, meaning it is super thick, comfortable, versatile to be rocking to and from the gym just to elevate your outfits. If you're like me, you will not be wearing the hoodie inside. I feel like I get as hot and as sweaty as I need to be without wearing a hoodie, so I don't think I'll be including that in my additions anytime soon, but it's definitely a great way to elevate your style to and from the gym. Once again, 100% cotton, which means it is super thick and you'll be getting a nice, comfortable and relaxed fit to the garment. With that being said, let's move into my fan favorite pieces. These are the Represent 247 cargo pants. Now, I honestly wear these on the daily. I've had these pants for over a year now and I have no regrets in regards to the fit, comfort and aesthetic of these pants. You've got zipper pockets on each side and zipper pockets on the cargo pants themselves, the cargo pockets, which are also enclosed through a Velcro strap on the inside. You've got adjustable drawstrings at the front and at the bottom of the pants, allowing you to adjust the fit to however you like. Now, I Represent 247 pants. I can go for a large or extra large. I am 180 centimeters tall, 6 foot, 86 kilos, and I typically do wear a large throughout most garments. However, in this case, I did size up to an extra large just because of the slim nature of the pant. Personally, I like it to be a little bit more baggy, a little bit more relaxed throughout the leg. However, of course, that will become a choice on your end on how you prefer the fit. However, regardless, going true to size, you will find it to be quite comfortable. Once again, it is an elastic waistband, so you can adjust it to fit however you like. And in terms of these colors, I have the taupe variation, which is a beige light tan throughout. I've got the dust colorway, which is a light black, which is a in-between black and gray in my opinion. You've also got the burnt olive, which of course out of all the cargo pants, this is the most classic colorway when it comes to cargos. Olive green, you can't go wrong. If you're looking for a first colorway to pick up, it either has to be this olive green or of course, moving on to the last one, the black variation. Now, black cargos, you honestly can't go wrong. These are the first pair of 247 pants that I picked up, and I picked them up for good reason. I was looking for a pair of pants that I could fit into my rotation that are a bit more versatile, comfortable, and suited my style. And once I got this garment in, I was shocked at the amount of quality you are getting for the price of this garment. These are super versatile, comfortable, and of course adjustable to the way you like. Throughout, they definitely fit a variety of pants. Of course, these are quite versatile to the way you want it to fit. So if you want to leave it relaxed throughout, you can undo the elastic at the bottom, or if you want it to be cinched and tight or cuffed, you can adjust that to your liking, meaning you're definitely getting a bunch of different variations and styles through this garment. So if you're looking for an entry-level piece for the 247 range, this is definitely the one you guys should be going for. Now, moving on to the bottoms, again, we are looking at the 247 cargo shorts, which of course are just a different variation of the pants. However, in this case, I've also got the taupe colorway, the black, and the olive green. Personally, out of all of them, the taupe colorway is such a unique color and is the one I wear the most. You're getting the same comfort throughout, of course, except it is cut off, allowing it to be a little bit more flowy throughout these shorts. And of course, you're also getting those 247 cargo pockets on each side, which definitely elevate the garment. Throughout all these cargo pockets and pants, you're also getting the Represent branding through a metal detailing on the tabs. Now, this is a perfect way for Represent to also show their luxury side throughout this athleisure aesthetic without compromising on the look of the garments. And that is one of the reasons I highly recommend these pieces. Now, if I had to recommend the top 3 products that I've showed you throughout this video, number 1 would undisputably go to the Represent cargo pant in the black colorway. Now, this is because it is super versatile, and honestly, it might be a little bit disgusting how much I've worn these back to back. In fact, I'm very close to investing in a second pair just so I can have one in the wash, one to rock. Now, these will be super versatile, super comfortable, and I guarantee you, I promise you, I give you my word, that if you pick up a pair of the Represent cargo pants, you will not be disappointed. Definitely go true to size, or if you're looking for an oversized, a bit more of a baggy fit, definitely size 1 up. Of course, that's what I did throughout this video. All the pants were extra large, whereas the shorts were a large. And with it coming in number 2, quite hot, very close to number 2 and 3, that is the oversized Represent 247 t-shirt. This is super versatile, comfortable, and honestly I was shocked at how much I was wearing this just throughout the week that I've had this piece in my hands. Definitely recommend it, definitely is worth the price. It's already in the wash, ready to go once again tomorrow once I throw it on for the gym. And coming in third and final, that is the Represent 247 cargo shorts. Of course, the cargo pants and the cargo shorts are so similar, which also means that they are fantastic when it comes to execution. The only difference, of course, on the shorts is that they're just going to be a bit shorter. However, I do recommend sticking true to size for these pieces, as they do fit quite more loose than the 247 pant, of course, because it is cut off in general. So I recommend sticking true to size for this piece and you will not be disappointed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, or if you have any questions that you want me to answer down below in terms of recommendations, sizing, fit, or quality, feel free to leave the comments in the comment section down below. Of course, I always try and answer as many comments as I can possibly. If you guys did enjoy the content, make sure to like it, as that is the best way for me to gauge what content you guys are enjoying, which means if you like more of the Represent videos, I will be posting more of the Represent videos. So make sure to hit that like down below. And of course, if you want to see more content from me, Zach, feel free to subscribe as well. Throw on that notification bell, especially because I've got some Represent videos coming out soon, especially with the Bully sneaker, which looks amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Zach signing out. See you guys next time.